turns and fires it. Thankfully, he threw it against the board, so there was nobody in the seats there to get hit with it. But you don't do that when your manager's coming out. It's disrespectful. So Francona's going, what the heck?
Right back up the middle, and the Royals power when he was taken out of the game. Turned, and I don't know where he threw that ball.
Well, I don't know. Happy with that. He might be frustrated because this was an ugly inning.
For number 5, you're going to have a lot of sleepless nights in the offseason.
Kershaw thought he had that one. Yeah. 2-2. This is going to be trouble. It's going to be a hit. Look at Clayton.
Well, the frustration from...
And Joe looked like he was going to come out and get Mike Messina. Did he say, Joe, stay there?
No, stay there. Don't take me out.
Yeah, I thought that. And he's going to get it. He finishes Dean off with a strikeout here in the 9th inning.
My favorite time of year. The weather starts to cool off. Football season around the corner, but baseball getting right to the important start.
AJ.
That is ball forward. So Drickler gets the third walkout by Bumgarner.
Bumgarner let out a yelp. Basketball.
High fly ball deep center. Going back Springer. Still back. Still back. Still back. See ya. A 3-run home. And Giles was not. Well, not only did the Yankees hit Ken Giles hard. Check this out. Ken Giles hits Ken Giles.
Holiday at the plate. And if A.J. Burnett had to work some magic in the 3rd inning. Boy, look at this. Wow.
Mattingly might be saying to Clayton that's enough, and Kershaw jumps up trying to plead, I believe, to stay in the game. There's no one throwing yet in the bullpen. 4 starts, and Mattingly talking to his ace.
Now looking at John Farrell, a little less demonstrative, but the same message both times. He wanted to stay in this ball game, but he gives way both times. 2009 ALCS Game 5 against the Yankees. Mike Scioscia, his manager. This is mine. This is mine. Now one to come out.
It's May. Wanted the outside corner, didn't get it. And pinwheels in frustration.
Wow, look at that pitch. Yes, that was definitely a strike. He catches the corner.
Knocked down, and Morgan's going to try to score. Might be a play. Save. He just got in. I thought he got him. And Lou's got to come out to keep. Didn't quite get there, but he is livid. I thought he had an argument. Holiday coming up. Lackey's going to do his best to try and stay in this game. This is my guy, he says to John Farrell before he even gets out there.
Until Mike's
at the start of it. Here's Clemens. And he's saying something right there to Terry Cooney. And obviously in reference to Cooney's strike zone.
Oh, he just told him to get in the box. Brazier just told Sanchez to get in the box.
And a swing and a miss. He struck him out. And a stare down. The barrel of the bat comes back at Roger Clemens, and he fires the bat back toward Piazza.
Upset. Wow.
Here, Wade Miley, who's not pitched well tonight, just gave up his 3rd home run, and in between innings, John Farrell over to basically, I think, tell him he is done for the night, and he gets into it here with Miley.
Now we talk about times there was a sense of urgency, but now you see Hallion's strike zone. That's ridiculous. Mike Matheny, he threw out John Lack.
Game of staying out of the middle of the plate with the Nationals, and then don't hit the 3-run home run to give them a 5-0 lead.
Well, now Guccione throws A.J. Burnett out of this ball game. He said something about.
And that pitch just a bit low, and it's a walk to Coburn. 3-2 pitch. Been
around too long to miss a pitch that badly.
Well, I just don't understand how you can throw at the start.
Oh my, doesn't get that call. Wow. And who just got tossed? It was either Martin or it might have been Martin who got tossed. Hear Martin say, I did not say that. Dan Iasanya just throws out Russell Martin. And he...
It seems like, usually a first place club would be, at least around 500 on the road. And Lester, his body language has not been good. He's very frustrated.
And Andy Fletcher's trying to get. I've never seen this. Have you?
Now he's throwing Stroman out. I don't think I've ever seen a battery thrown out on the same play. The pitcher and the catcher. 3 ejections in the inning.
2-2. Ready to hit him. And that'll bring home a run. Phil Cuzzy behind the plate.
3-2 pitch. Walks it. Happ was headed toward the dugout. Angel Hernandez looking at him. What do you want? Now,
nor was Bob McClure. There's Rhino talking to him right there. And Rhino keeps his emotions in check.
3 separate occasions.
Yeah, there's Bob McClure, who had a very heated conversation with him right there too.
Yeah, I mean, there's no need for this here. And Moose knew the first pitch was way in.